Hey, it's Chip Collins here with Collins Group Realty in the Low Country of South Carolina. Hey, one of the questions we get from both buyers and sellers is what sort of renovation projects should I be thinking about with my property? If it's a seller, what can I be doing to maybe enhance the saleability of the property? If it's a buyer, hey, what's going to be the best investment for the long term in terms of my equity in this property? And so we're excited to share with you the National Association of Realtors Remodeling Impact Report for 2019, which is really cool. They put together a survey of homeowners and basically reviewing their process about what remodeling projects they've taken on. And they're basically looking at what have generally speaking been the cost. Now, of course, that's really hyper-local, right? It has to do with what the marketplace is, etc. But it's interesting to see sort of the national figures on that. The other is a joy score, which I thought was really cool. Like, how did homeowners, what was the joy they derived, and what were maybe the top 3 projects that they took on that just gave them a better enhancement of the way that they enjoy the property moving forward. And the other one is sort of that ROI or recoupment, like where are they basically getting the best return on the dollars spent on maybe more of the more durable projects that they're taking on in the interior and exterior. So we're really glad to share this report with you. It's a 52-page report, lots of information in there. And so we provide an opportunity and a link here for you to request a copy of it. We hope you enjoy it. We'd love to field your feedback on it, your questions, and anything that you might have in terms of response to it. So again, it's a great resource. We hope you enjoy it, and thanks for your interest.